I have a prospect with a free and clear house. ARV is $320,000 and the asking price is $320,000. He agreed to owner financing for 2 years with a 7% interest. How should I go about and what's my exit strategy here?
First, you got to get a contract. And frankly, I would not close on any owner financing deal that I had a 2-year balloon on. So I would want that extended before I do anything else, probably to 5 years. And also in New York, when you close, you've got some pretty hefty closing costs. You may want to turn this into a lease purchase because you're going to pay those closing costs most likely. And you didn't give me any of the other terms. I don't know anything about the down payment. I do know that if I'm paying retail price for the property, I probably don't even want to close on it, period. Lease option would be the only thing I do, but honestly, I wouldn't close on that house if you're paying absolute top dollar for it. But first, you got to get a contract. Before you do that, you got to decide what kind of deal you want to do to know what contract to use. And then you got to check the title. And then if you're going to close on it, you got to get it to your attorney. If you're not going to close on it, you just got to get it on the market and find the buyer, then close.